Yeah, thanks, Roha. Pleasant conditions out in the middle as we prepare for game number 7 at the Gaddafi Stadium. Little breeze coming across here, so it'll be nice and pleasant for the players in the middle. Today's pitch is pitch number 7. It's the same pitch that we played on yesterday, so it had a good 80 overs of cricket on it. And when I take a look at the surface, the first thing that comes to mind and that I can see is the fact that it's a lot less green on the top of the pitch. The grass that was there is still there, but underneath the surface, a bit drier than it was yesterday, but there's still a tinge of green. And that's because at the end of the game yesterday, the groundsman just came out and gave us a bit of a sprinkle, try and keep it together and make sure that it's solid for today. There was rain forecast for today, this afternoon as well, so this was covered for about 3 or 4 hours, only opened up at about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Sun wasn't baking anymore, so there might be a bit of freshness under the surface. And I think as we saw last night, under lights, a bit of movement for the seamers when they hit the seam. So I expect a little bit more of that this evening, probably not so much. The spinners, I don't think will have too much to do in terms of turning the ball again. It's a nice flat surface, ball will come onto the bat. Now the Mardan Warriors captain was talking about 140 to 150 is what they feel they can keep the Royals to in that first innings. If they do, they're going to have to bat extremely well, because the 2 times they've batted, they've only managed to get 131. But all in all, when I look at the surface and I look at the way that the pitches played yesterday and throughout, good batting conditions, and I look forward to plenty of runs out here this evening.